Here's how to make an embroidery split stitch. Use an even number of threads and tie either a single or a double knot. Thread your needle and let's get stitching. I'm going to show you a couple of different ways of doing this because I found a way that is easier. So first of all, bring your needle up and place it back down 1 stitch length away. Then you're going to bring your needle back up again through the stitch, splitting it. And this can be a little bit fiddly, so give the needle a tug if it's struggling to come through, and then pass the needle back down a stitch length away. Now this is my preferred method. Bring the needle up a stitch length away and pass the needle back down through the stitch. So you can actually see exactly where you're splitting the stitch rather than trying to kind of guess by coming up from the back. So I am coming up and then going back down through the previous stitch.